Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone isn't recognizing your SIM card. First of all, to check whether or not your device actually recognizes the SIM card, you have to go to Settings, then open Network and Internet, go to SIM cards menu and check if there is any active SIM card in here. So as you can see, my phone recognizes the SIM card in the first slot of the SIM card tray. And in case your phone won't recognize the SIM card, first of all, remove the tray. To do that, you're gonna need a pin tool like that. Insert it into this pinhole carefully to make to eject the tray, then remove it from your device like this. Make sure that your SIM card sits properly in here. So as you can see, this is what it should look like. Besides, also try using some dry piece of cloth to wipe the contacts on your SIM card, so that your phone reads them better. And just in case, you can also try the second SIM card slot available in your smartphone, unless you have an SD card applied there. But just to test it, try inserting your SIM card in here, make sure that it sits firmly, and then reinsert your SIM card back into the phone this way. Carefully insert it in here and then check your SIM card settings once again. Let's go to Network and Internet, SIM card, and as you can see right now the phone is recognizing this SIM card in the second slot. However, if this won't make your phone recognize your SIM card, then you should insert it into another device and let it check your SIM card using other device. If another device won't recognize your SIM card, then it's probably just inactive, and you're gonna have to most probably, well, you can either reactivate the SIM card or just get yourself a new one. But if another device recognizes your SIM card, then we can check for any available software updates. However, to check for software updates, we're gonna need some kind of internet connection. So for example, we can use our Wi-Fi, just connect to the Wi-Fi network, enter the password to it. Then in settings, you're gonna have to scroll down to the system menu and open it. Here, go to advanced, then go to reset options. Then go to system updates, and then let your smartphone check for available updates. And if you do have an update, then download and install it. Let your phone restart and check if it starts recognizing your SIM card after that. And then we actually can perform a network reset in reset options here. Just a reminder, we are in the system settings right now. So if system update won't work for you, or there is no system updates prepared for you, then we can reset network in reset options by selecting reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. This will also affect your Wi-Fi networks. This will basically erase Wi-Fi passwords from your device, and this feature will also, this reset will also erase paired Bluetooth devices from your smartphone's memory. But it may as well fix your SIM card issue. So in order to perform this reset, tap reset settings twice, enter the password if prompted, and then check your SIM card once again in the network and internet settings. Right now everything should work just fine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.